I'm here for his case.
Sir?
I'm a journalist. I'm here for his case.
Don't just take videos, sir. Please.
Okay, so let's do. First of all,
I feel happy. I didn't say.
you know smiling.
Take off the mask. It's a happy day. We should see your face.
Me moto fika. Isi moto okoro. Era nkofo be isi moto obeche. Me ka se ba kunu wo minim na na meboa. Me na ye adwuma ma minim ni fie nya.
Eno ni hwan no?
Ayi.
Ataa Ayi.
Okay.
Minim ni fie nya na. Me minim se oye konfo ana oje ko. Me na me ye na adwuma nya na.
But no say friend Ataa Ayi.
Sa na friend.
Okay.
Minim adwuma oye. Oye taxi driver. Oh. Enti debi me wo no ma me yare na me kokko me wo ko no am wa sorry dem le che me see e hwehwe me see me no ma kwa boko me kan bibia o ma nje antu e ma ya che me antu me sister be to what more than 6 months ne de me call man 8 years try man 8 months 2010 the jail me 30 years si me ni se me menye hwe ti ama me shop na me wo shop o koro shop na egu me na fufu nyina
Shop now you dey.
Sisi moto. Me ame wo me shop.
No way.
E wo koro. Ana na me wo ba boy ba ko. Ana oba no so na we nya like 1 month. Na chi me ko. Se de bia na me bonya me pai. No obi ehun se asem e de to me so. Ye ni mu hwe. Wa ti ase. Ena e de atage me se me na konfo me ye konfo me so me mo ko no da. Ni medjuma na me what ase enti obi be ye adwuma ma wonti bi bisan se adwuma be na oye ansa na wa ye na adwuma ma me kan bibia e ma je Mr. Bafubo no po ya de po ma o ya de pa e ma me lawyer nyina se be be si na esi
It's na
emras na me pe ja bisa
na court of appeal say Kofi na kwedo e de ba no na nche da eni se e de ba no o fele sen
o me feel up say o ma ye fe o ma hwehwe mo say ampa me ni mo hwe e che so usi mutu mo bia so yen se de ko no beto so say yam de so ma hwe mo say me ni mo bia ti mo na me la ma.
My client's name is Yaw Asante Agyekum. He used to be a motorbike repairer, and the link with Ataa Ayi was that basically most of the bikes of those armed robbers in the Ataa Ayi fraternity were repairing their bikes at his workshop. So when the suit was made on Ataa Ayi, for some reason, because they saw his name on their phones or whatever, in a way they added him to the conspirators for the robbery, armed robbery. And he had no counsel, and unfortunately he was jailed together with the Ataa Ayi guys to a period of about 35 years, and he's been in prison. But when I got wind of the case through the efforts of the then governor of the Southern Prison, I looked into the case and I felt that there were some grounds of appeal because there was no evidence to link him either with the conspiracy or with the actual operation carrying out of the robbery. So I filed my appeal out of time, obviously, but the court agreed with me, and then it's been a long journey. It's almost 8 years now because first of all the records of the court were missing. We had to go to archives, we had to do a whole lot of things. So the appeal is now ready and it's now for judgment. And I think because it's my belief the Attorney General did not file any submissions in opposition, which basically because I think when they looked at our submissions they knew we had a good case. So submissions are before the court, and today we were told that we were expecting judgment today, but we were told that the court will give the judgment on the 5th of June.
Send the mommy. Where's the guy?